So you're thinking about moving to Raleigh, North Carolina, but are afraid you can't quite afford home ownership? Well, in today's video, we did just what so many of you have emailed and asked us to do, and that's find the cheapest new construction in the Raleigh area. We've done it, $250,000 for brand new construction. And Chris, hey, this is a nice house.
Oh, absolutely. I think you're going to be surprised. Come on in.
I know I was, because, I mean, as you're going to see, it's compact, but it's all the things you need. You're going to know it's echoey because they honestly don't stage these because they don't last long enough. So it's empty, but we're going to show it to you.
Absolutely. And at these price points, you may think, oh, well, they scamp out on some things. No, this house, as you're going to see, LVP flooring, granite countertops here in the kitchen, gas fireplace, recessed lighting. I mean, you can't, for this price?
So Chris, before we get started and really show them around the house, let's really explain how we arrive at the price. So the price of the actual home is $259,000.
Correct.
There's a $7,500 use as you choose incentive, which you can apply to the purchase price.
Correct.
And additionally, if you use the preferred lender up to, or it is 1% of the loan. So you can get this home for $250,000 if we use every incentive available. And so we encourage you to call, text, or email us. We'd love to represent you on this house and negotiate a great deal for you. Chris, let's look around.
Absolutely. And again, so this house is 1,134 square feet, 3-bed, 2-bath. And again, here in the living room, kind of an open floor plan here as soon as you come in. Gas fireplace, nice little area here. Going into your kitchen, again, like I said, tile backsplash, granite countertop, stainless steel appliances, even at this price point, no skimping out on that.
Yeah, and behind you, you do have a small pantry.
You have a pantry?
But you know, you're not gonna have a ton of people living here. You don't need such a huge pantry. But one thing that I think we both talked about was this area where you're standing would be perfect. I don't think I'd try and put a dining table in here, put a countertop island that you can have stools that would accommodate 4 people eating, kind of serves as your dining area as well as your island. So, I mean, I think you can really make these smaller floor plans work, and it's a great way to get started on home ownership.
Absolutely, and we can't reiterate that enough. And so then again, to our right is a little patio area that you want to go in. You can set a little patio table out there as well. And the pantry. So I want to bring this up because we've shown $400,000 or $500,000 houses that don't have a pantry or barely even a smaller pantry. So to have that here, can't beat it.
Yeah, now before we move by the patio here, it is a nice paved area, but also you're not sacrificing, because you have no city taxes here, we are in the county. We're gonna tell you more about the location here between our tours, because if you stay tuned, we have another home. If this one seems a little too small for you, you're gonna be shocked. But we'll save that one coming up. But you have a paved driveway as well.
Paved driveway. Oh, didn't even mention. A little under 3/4 of an acre on this lot.
Good size lot.
Good size lot. So again, they're not, I mean, to get a good size lot, this price point and what you get in this house, as you come straight back, we're gonna take you into the primary suite.
Yeah, and that French door behind you will lead out, and there's actually an exterior storage room, because this home does not have a garage, but you do have a small exterior storage room for a lawnmower or just whatever you want to put in there.
And plenty of space to put your building out there. So as you come in, and even at this square footage, 1,140 square feet, 43, this is a good sized primary bedroom.
It is. One thing that impressed me was the size of the walk-in closet.
Yeah, so this walk-in closet, it doesn't look like, it's very deceiving. Look how big that is. Even the shelving in there, you can't beat it. So you come on in now into the primary bath. So you got dual vanities, you got the tub shower combo, glass doors. Again, square footage, can't beat it.
If you look above, you even have a tray ceiling. So
that's right, tray ceiling.
And something else, you know, there's some builders that don't even put light fixtures in the bedrooms. These have ceiling fans.
Ceiling fans already in it.
Now, we have sold a number of these homes. Not this specific neighborhood because it's new, but from this builder, I have nothing but great things to say. Their managers, the construction managers, when you do the walkthroughs, because so many of you are moving here from throughout the country, so we do the blue tape walkthroughs. We've gotten a great relationship with their foreman, and I'm telling you, They are, when you get there, there's not a lot to be blue taped because they have gone through them and make sure they're right.
Absolutely. As you know, I mean, I've texted back and forth with them and they're quick to respond. So great to work with. Then you come in here to the first secondary bedroom. Again, this is a decent size. It doesn't feel as enclosed as you would think for the square footage, and a good sized closet.
Absolutely.
And then back in here is your another shared bath between the two, another full bath. You have the sink and the tub shower combo. Nice little spot.
Absolutely.
Linen closet behind there. And then coming on back down, so then to your right here is your laundry closet. So you have your laundry room in there. And then the last secondary bedroom, again, another good sized closet.
I'll tell you, $250,000 that can get you in the door for home ownership. And I think, Chris, as we discussed, this is a perfect opportunity to go ahead, get your feet wet with home ownership. And when you're in a position to move up,
right,
I would keep this home as an investment property, and I think you can't go wrong. Stay tuned. We've got another home that you're definitely going to want to see. Like I said, if this one feels a little too small for you, stay tuned. We now interrupt this program to remind you to like and subscribe. Now back to the show. Okay, just want to remind you, the only thing we like more than making these videos for you is helping you make that smooth move to Raleigh. So give us a call, shoot us a text, or send us an email. Our information is in the description box below. We'll be happy to answer any questions or help you make that move to Raleigh. Chris, this house, like I said, if the other one wasn't quite big enough for you, this one might check the boxes.
This one looks pretty good. This one actually reminds me of my first home. And I love this porch. Look at this big porch.
Yep.
Rocking chair front porch.
It is, and I mean directly across the street from the other
right
home that we looked at. And Chris, what's the price on this one?
So this one is at $273, but whereas the other one had a $7,500 K promo, this one has a $10K promo.
So that takes it to $263.
$263.
Same situation with the lender.
Correct.
1% up to one, or no, I don't know why I want to say up to one.
It is 1%, yes,
of the loan. So you're talking $260.
Yes.
And wait till you see this house.
I love this house. It's 1,224 square feet, and this one has 3 bed, 2 bath, but it has 1.2 acres.
Wow, big yard.
Big yard.
So, you know, you sacrifice maybe a little location,
right,
and you would say sacrifice convenience, but Chris, this area, this home is located in Selma, North Carolina.
Correct.
I actually have a Selma address. Parts of Flowers Plantation area have a Selma address. But you're 40 minutes from downtown Raleigh, and that's to the Capitol building, so
yes,
closer to other parts of Raleigh. You're only 10 minutes from the Smithfield-Selma area, and for those that have watched our other videos, Smithfield has the Carolina Premium Outlets, so it has Nike stores, Polo, Tommy Hilfiger, like everything you can imagine. There's also, at that same area, the old North State Food Hall, tons of choices, great food hall, and Chris, just announced a huge development. Target, Hobby Lobby, Burlington, Five Below, Ulta, a major shopping center 10 minutes away, under construction right now.
Absolutely. So while it still may be, you may think it's further out, but you are close to everything that you need. My family, we go to the outlets in Smithfield and go there, eat all the time, and Selma. Talk about one of the forgotten suburbs of Raleigh that is really growing. The next boomtown, in my opinion, is this area.
Well, you're hearing Selma more and more often as Raleigh is really pretty much built out. There's teardowns. Cary's in the same situation. Really, that whole western side of Raleigh, much higher prices. You come to the east and then you go out a little bit further east, you get deals like this. Chris, we've shown them this great big living room. Again, ceiling fan.
Yep.
You've got the gas log fireplace.
Yep. LVP, and it's the lighter color, which y'all know watching this, that's one of my favorite colors. So this, whereas the other one was almost one large space and it was a little bit smaller of a kitchen, this one is more cut up.
It is. So we talked about this style is coming back.
Yes.
And so having more distinctive rooms. You have a living room, then you have an eat-in kitchen. Let's take a look at that.
Yeah, let's go.
Because this kitchen is very spacious.
So, I mean, perfect spot to put a table here in front of the bay windows. You don't really see a lot of bay windows anymore, but like you said, it's coming back. And then the kitchen, again, granite countertops, white cabinets, stainless steel appliances, big, deep farmhouse style sink.
Yep.
Man, I'm telling you.
And again, you do have a pantry.
You have a pantry.
Located right over here to this side. And you got your French door, which leads out to a nice patio. So you can enjoy that 1.2 acre yard.
Absolutely. So, I mean, that's another thing too, is that, you know, coming out here, you get a lot of land. So you may give up some things, but you get a lot of space and the price point. Laundry closet here where you have your washer and dryer. And then as you come in to your right, this is going to take you into the primary suite, and look how large this room is.
Yep. This one really is spacious.
This is very spacious.
And you've got a nice master suite bath as well.
Yes.
So it's sectioned off with the tub, shower combination, and the toilet in one area, and your double vanity
Yeah.
It is a double vanity. I want to make sure I said that right.
No,
Wow.
dual vanity, big closet, so good sized walk-in closet, and you got the shower there.
Let's take a look at the closet here. Yeah. So, I mean, we're talking $260,000.
Right.
$260,000. So if you like the fact that we did exactly what so many have asked, like down below and comment, thank you. Because I'm telling you, this wasn't easy to find.
No, absolutely not. Absolutely not. So you got a shared bath here with the tub shower combo between the secondary bedrooms, and coming into the first one here. And again, good sized closet. And then directly behind you, Chris, is the other secondary bedroom with another closet.
Yeah.
So,
and if I were going to say there's a drawback to this floor plan, it would be this third bedroom.
Yes.
It is smaller, perfect for a nursery, or what I would say I would do with it, with a smaller family, if you don't need that additional bedroom, it's a perfect size office.
perfect size office.
Because so many people work from home. And speaking of that, like this location, if you don't have to go into Raleigh or to the Research Triangle Park often, you're allowed to work from home and remotely, only going into the office a little bit. This is perfect. You're 40 minutes away, but you're saving hundreds of thousands of dollars.
Hundreds of thousands of dollars. And like you talked about, I mean, thinking long-term too, great investment property as you move on with your next home.
That's right. So if you're thinking about making that move to Raleigh and thought homeownership was out of reach, well, I think we've shown you it probably is in reach. Let us help guide you to the perfect home for your family. Give us a call, shoot us a text, or send us an email, and choose Crossroads Residential.
We'll make it happen.